Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Pro, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need for this, which is a SIM eject tool. They come provided in a box, might not look different than this one, but basically what it does is just pushes out the tray. So like I said, they can be found somewhere in a box between like a booklet. And if you can't find it, you can always use a paper clip, as you can see right here. Just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So from here, you want to push out the tray, which is located on the top of the device. So let me actually set it sideways so you can get a better look. As you can see right here where the pin is holding. Push it in and you can see that the tray kind of pops out. So go. So as you can see, you have place for a SIM card and a memory card. So let's place both of them. Like so, as you can see. Make sure that they're laying flush as these are. And then while holding them securely so it doesn't fall out, it's not really being held by anything on the tray, you want to slide it back into the device. So let me just actually take it back. Oops, there we go. And there we go. Okay, so we got the pin for the SIM card. I'm just gonna put that in. There we go. And unfortunately, it changes the language of the device based on the SIM card. So disregard the new language. So you can see that the SIM card was working considering it required a pin. And let's see, there should be also a memory card somewhere. There we go. And there is the memory card. So that is how you would insert a SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.